Hey guys, today is April the 10th of 2013, and I just want to let you know my thoughts on the euro. I'm going to show you just a couple of charts, and I just want to let you know that this is an educational video only. This is just my thoughts on what I see, what the euro could possibly do. I'm just kind of looking at trend lines, charts, and esoteric stuff, and just doing my own analysis and just giving you my opinion. So please consult a professional financial advisor. And with that being said, let's get into the charts. This is my big picture. This is the monthly, weekly, daily, and the 12-hour chart. It's kind of like a 5 minute, and this is kind of like an hour. And this is where I see the trend developing, and this is the really big picture. So let's start with the 12-hour and work our way up. The 12-hour shows that we had 9 candles set up, and this could possibly be the turning point, which is candle one. So this could possibly turn. We just got to see price action. The market's just open, so there's going to be a lot of actions, and you can see Mobo is positive, but shade of green, it's losing momentum right here. Um, so it's getting darker on the Mobo, actually in the MACD, and over here you in zoom mode on the CCI. So that's good. It's bullish. It's kind of trending on the 12-hour, and you got Fisher um, way above here, and very positive, very bullish. MMG very positive. It shows you this red here because it's saying it's way oversold, but I mean this is a 12-hour chart. This is pretty much nothing. So I mean it's kind of like a 5 minute chart to me. So you just kind of just know. I just see that. I just see that it's very bullish. It's very there's energy towards the upside. Tima, TTM squeeze, uh, very positive. And short term, we just got a brown bar right here, but very positive too, above the zero line. I got in on March 27th, went long, and my target was going to be the 50 simple moving average on the daily. So I met it there. If you look at my previous videos, you can see why there was going to be major resistance there. So I got out, took half off. So I'm playing with the house's money, and let's see what happens there. You have the 61.8 right here also as resistance. There's a bunch. You got the 100. So there's a lot of resistance, right here. I mean, we'll see what the price action is going to do. We just got a cherry Tima there, but very bullish on the Tima. Mobo on the daily, very bullish. You have here on the CCI the 5 and the 20 in zoom mode, but the 50 is lagging. It's right in the middle. So it's kind of, they don't really say that the 50 and the 20 and the 5 need to trend together and not to have that spread. So that's kind of like a red flag for me there. But if you look at the Fisher, very positive. You have a signal to buy to go long here, and right now it's just all the way up here, and it's very positive on the daily. MMG, very I guess you want to say overbought, but very bullish. And over here, you just had a squeeze play where you had 1, 2, 3 days, squeezing and building momentum to the upside. And yesterday, you had a green signal, and today it's building up even more. So that's definitely bullish. Looking at these indicators, short-term TTM very bullish. I use Renki candles because I like looking at colors. So you have a green weekly candle right here, very bullish, and looks like Tima's about to turn. Mobo is building up. The MACD is building up momentum, divergence to the upside, and Fisher. I'm just waiting for my purple signal arrow to show up, and that's looking good. It's setting like a base, and MMG just cracked the 50 line right here. So very bullish. TTM squeeze hasn't triggered a yellow bar yet, and we have two on the weekly. Monthly, we have PPS sell signal, but it's finding support at that 2778. So that's good. Tima just turned positive. Um, that's been positive. That's kind of like telling you that it's weak. and just got a hockey stick. And on the monthlies, you have a squeeze play. So price has been kind of contained on a monthly basis. So we'll see what's going to happen. And you're positive on the short-term TTM wave. So pretty interesting. I also want to show you this other chart. I had to divide it into two because I have some other indicators that I use that I've added that I like to glance. The same thing, monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. Right here, look at this. This is the Swami intraday impulse. Uh, it's just showing you all this right here is green, so very bullish. As this is green, stays green, that's definitely very bullish, very strong price action, a strong thrust towards the upside. And on the daily, you have the same thing, but it's growing. It's not fully there yet. It's just growing right now. So that's interesting to see right there. If you look back, I don't think we ever had that. Looking that greenish. We found the low. We thought we found the low right here, and it kind of like got greenish. And this is just to keep you in trend on what's going on, so you can see that momentum it's building up. So very interesting. Today is a cycle date that kicked in. Let me show you that chart. Let's see, which is the 10th, and there's a couple of things going on today. So it's very interesting, or very good to watch price action today. Where is it at? Possible turns. Here it goes. Right here is the 410. So this is interesting. It's either gonna continue going up, and if you look at, I got a link that I'm gonna put on YouTube below. You can check it out. It's a thread I start every month of dates to watch on certain markets. And it's just, there's some dates I put there. Some things happen, some things don't. So it's just something to keep an eye on. It's just some analysis that I do for possible turn dates and stuff like that. So today is one of those days, based on this, and never mind this angle. This is just something that I use for calculations. But this is the day 410, and there's some other stuff that I've been working on that has 410. And if you check out that link, you can see the other dates I have. I think the other one is 416. And then next week there's other couple of dates you just need to keep a close watch to see what the market does. Because price action is always going to tell you what's going to happen. So if you follow that, you'll be in good shape. So just want to show you that. And if you let's glance this picture, let's glance this chart. You can see that on the daily, it found the resistance on the S1 weekly Woody's pivot. You got the linear regression line right here, that it was resistance. You got the 50 right here, which I knew there was going to be resistance. And you got the medium line right here of the linear regression line. And that's like kind of like 3175 ish around there. So this thing could possibly turn, and if my data are correct and my analysis are correct, somewhere around the 16, build the third leg up, or it could just continue going down and forget about all the stuff I worked on and just continue tanking, or go sideways and shoot up. So there's different possibilities this thing could go. If I look at the 4-hour, that's where we at. We're still above the 20, the 50. You got this S1 right here, which is R1. I'm sorry, resistance. So Euro's having issues right here. If Euro can't get above 31.19, if it can't get above that 50 or 31.17, somewhere around there, it's either going to go sideways or lose momentum and go down. We'll look at the 1 hour, see where we're at. That's it right there. See how it pierced it? And there's a linear regression line right here, and you're already failing the 50, but you got the 20, but you still got that 50 here, and you're still above this cloud on the 1 hour. So you're still kind of trending, but as soon as this thing gets in here, it's either gonna have to bounce or gonna go sideways or tank. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll keep posting, let you know my thoughts, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.